Hi children, in this video we are going to see chapter 10, time. So first we will see reading the clock and telling the time to the nearest 5 minutes. So here under exercise 1, fill in the blanks with the number of minutes. So here 12 is there, no? So from here the time 0 starts. So this needle, you will call it as the small one, no? When you compare to these two needles, this is smaller, you will call it as hour hand, and this needle you will call it as minute hands. So there were another needle which keeps on running little bit faster, no? That you will call it as seconds hand. Okay? So here from 12 to 1, each number 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, each number when you move, there will be 5 minutes. Okay, there will be 5 minutes. So if you see in your wall clock, from 12 to 1, you will be having 4 lines like this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these 4 lines you will calculate as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why this one is called as 5. So after this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this you will call it as 2, you will call it as 10. Okay, when this minute that is minute hand shows 1, it is 5, 2 means 10. Likewise, each and every number has 5 minutes. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 5 counting 20. This 4 you will call it as 20. This 5 you will call it as 25. This 6 you will call it as 30. And 35. 40. 45. 50. 55. So from 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And this when you get 60, totally 60 minutes for 1 hour. Okay, you will call it as, again you will start with 1, 0. Okay, so we will see one sum. Fill in the blanks and write the time. So this one is done with you. So the B sum I will take. So the time is showing. See, this orange color needle is hour hand. This red color is minute hand. So 3 hours 10 minutes. 2 means 10. Okay, we have shown here, no? 2 means 10. So 3, 10. So the minute hand is pointing at, minute hand is this, pointing at 2. Okay. The time is 3, 10. Okay, this is how you have to write the time. Next topic we are going to see with time interval. So for example, max period started at 8 and ended at 8:30. Okay, you can have it as 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. and ended at 8:30. So 8 a.m. the class started and at 8:30 the class ends. Okay, so you will call this 8 as starting time and this 8:30 as finishing time. Okay, ending time or finishing time. So for how long this max class happened? How long? From 8 to 8:30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 minutes the max period has happened. So this 30 minutes only you will call it as time interval, or you can also say it as duration. Okay. So second exercise, one sum I will do it. The start and the end time are given. How long did the activity take? So the activity started at 3 and ended at 3:30. So how long it happened? 30 minutes. Just now I have counted and show you, no? 30 minutes. So this 30 minutes the activity has been done. Okay. So next topic we are going to see before time and after time. So here what is the time is given under exercise 3. 1 hour after 8. So what will be the time after 1 hour with 8? 9 o'clock. Okay. It may be either AM or PM. So next 2 hours after 2:10. So 2:10 I am writing here 2:10. 1 hour after what will be the time? 3:10. So the minute will be same. The hour alone will be changing for 1 hour. Okay. So from 2:10 to 3:10 1 hour. From 3:10 to 4:10 is 2 hours. Okay. So after 2 hours the time will be 4:10. Okay. Next topic we are going to see use of AM and PM. So here we do not write 12 AM or 12 PM. Instead of this AM and PM with 12 we used to write 12 midnight and 12 noon. That is 12 AM is written as 12 midnight. 12 PM is written as 12 noon. Okay. So here you can see from which time to which time AM is there and from which time to which time PM is mentioned. So here you can see the half moon, here also half moon, here the sun is given. So here at 12 midnight means in the night you will be sleeping, no? That is called 12 midnight. So after this 12 midnight instead of AM, see AM will not be written. If it is 12 AM means it is midnight. Okay. So after this 12 midnight, the one you will write it as AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM. The morning 6 o'clock you will be waking up, no? So that is AM. So respectively 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See till 11 AM is here. After 1 hour 12 noon will come. That is till 11:59 you will call it as AM. Till 11:59 AM. Okay. The next minute 12 noon, no, when it starts it will be 12 PM. So this 12 PM only is this. Okay. So you will be having lunch during the afternoon, no, that. So after this 12 noon, the 1, 2, 3, 4 you will call it as PM, PM, PM till midnight again 11 PM. So again 11:59 till 11:59 you will call it as PM. Okay. Again when it becomes 12 you will call it as midnight. So this will be repeated. Okay. So using this AM and PM we are going to do 1 or 2 sums in exercise 4. 9 morning, that is 9 o'clock in the morning. So what you will write, AM or PM? 9 AM. Okay. 7:15 evening. Evening means afternoon. After you will get, no, after leaving the school you will reach the home and then you will get 7:15, no, that you will call it as AM or PM? PM. 7:15 PM. Okay. So here 2:10 night. Night is given. So 2:10 night means at the midnight 12 o'clock will come, no, at the midnight, because 12:10 during the daytime it is afternoon. So again this 12:10 will appear only in the night. So at that time you will be sleeping, right? So during that time either you will give AM or PM. So daytime when you have 2:10 means it is PM. When it is appearing in the night, it will be AM. Okay? So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.